Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. Let me tell you, this one's going to be a lot better than the last two. I know they were really boring, but I bring you some better content today. I bought this at Walmart like 2 weeks ago and I haven't used it yet, so I'm really excited to use it. It's a Conair double ceramic triple barrel waver for deep waves, and I want to wave my hair. I didn't want to do something really expensive, so I got this one. It was the cheapest one other than like the bedhead one, but I liked this one because it was pink, so I got it. And I'm really excited to, try doing stuff with my hair. I don't know. I kind of was hoping this would be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'm really excited. I've never used one of these before, but I've been wanting to. So I'm going to, oh, there's little I don't know what this means. Maybe I do need to look at the instructions, but I wanted to say really quick, while this is going to heat up, I used this on my eyes today. I wasn't impressed. Just saying, I was not impressed. I know some people will be like, what the F? But I just wasn't impressed. So I'm gonna plug this up and then I guess read the instructions really quick. And then I want to show you what I got on my Ipsy for November, because it just got here a few days ago. So who cares about Ipsy November anymore? It doesn't need a dedicated video. Also, UPS is pulling up right now. My Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes are coming, so I get to film videos for that. And then I'll probably do in-depth, I don't know, on the vlog. But let's go ahead and get the hair done for filming today. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about today. Okay, so while that is heating up, I already said something on Instagram, but Pop Beauty sent over a little something. This is the second time they've sent me PR, and they sent me some of these Supreme Sea Cream Creamy Moisturizers, which is so sweet of them. So thank you so much, Pop Beauty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Ipsy for November. It wouldn't be a Connor vlog if I don't knock stuff over. Okay, I feel like we're at a weird angle now. Let's just, okay. Ipsy November, let's do it. And then I'll go outside and get my Charlotte Tilbury thing. Okay, so first thing in here, Yensa Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base. I was not at all excited about this. Some people were like, just try it. So I might try it. Here it is. Great. And then it had a brush with it. Did we really need this whole box for this? Probably. And then here's the brush. Cool. Okay, next up, we have the actual bag. Great. Here's the bag. Let's see. Oh, the Tula I Feel Amazing eye mask. This one I am excited about. There's 4 in here. Excited about it. Okay, cool. Let's see. I love Tula. Tula stuff is so good. Okay, next up we have this, oh yeah, the full-time eyeshadow palette from Complex Culture. I almost forgot about this. If I'm being completely honest, I kind of don't remember what I'm getting. But I was actually kind of excited to try this. Oh, wait, why do I feel like I have this already? Oh, maybe I have it. Oh, there's a step 1, a step 2, and a step 3. All over, easy crease definer, precision eyelid. Interesting. Okay. I thought there was a shimmer up here. I really did. I thought there was a shimmer up here. It actually looked cuter online, unless there was more than one palette. This is the ideal for light to medium skin tones. I don't know. I thought the other one was cuter, what I thought I saw online. Next, we have the Julep eyeshadow. Oh, yeah. The cream, the powder to cream thing. I was so excited about this and wanting to try it. Yeah, I'll give that a try one of these days. Smudger, cool. Nobody cares about a swatch. Here's the card. The last thing in here. Oh, yeah. The Tula Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. This one I was really excited about getting. excited. Great, that's what I got. I think this thing is heated up because I can smell it. So we need to like part this hair and get going because I'm so flipping excited to try out this hair thingy. Even though you guys can't like really see what I'm doing, but you know, it's whatever. Okay. Yeah, this thing is hot. Okay. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how to use this. Hold on, let's just do. I don't know what I'm doing. We'll just go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, is it even doing anything? I can't even tell. I don't think that, okay, this would probably be better if I like, you know, brushed my hair first, but we wouldn't be doing it Connor style if we didn't do it like, oh, this is so cute. Wait a minute. Oh, that's cute. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna look so freaking amazing later when I get out of my car to pump my gas. Like, the boys are gonna be hollering from their jacked up trucks. Yes, they are. They're gonna be like, come here, mommy. I'd be like, I'm scared. Please stay away from me. Oh my god. See, these are little like things that I would talk about in like unboxing videos and stuff, and I would never actually put it in the video because that's just weird. I mean, it's not like a big thing, but it's also like freaking cute. Oh my god. I know I'm missing hair, but like this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Sorry, I'm not even like looking at like you. I'm looking at like the, whatchamacallit? What do you call it? Myself. I'm looking at myself, but like, oh my god, this is so cute. I have it on the lowest setting for like fine hair, and I know you're not supposed to hold it for like too long, and I don't even know if you are supposed to do it like in a particular pattern, but this is cute. Like, this is such a quick and easy like hairstyle. What is life right now? This one's kind of thick. I'll probably hold it for like an extra like 2 seconds. I am living my best freaking life right now. Like, obviously when I do this for real, I'll like make sure that I'm doing it right so I don't look like a freak, but like this is just a like a first time thing. I feel like it's not even like staying in my hair. I feel like it's already like flat. I feel like that's what's happening. Oh, as long as the front of the hair looks cute, that's all that matters. Okay, I'm gonna finish this side and then I'll be right back. Listen, 18-year-old me is shook right now. This is so cute. Like, obviously it was just like a quick like, this is how you do it, but it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go get my Charlotte Tilbury package off the front porch, and then maybe I'll film like a, don't judge this room. This is the messiest room that I've ever had in my entire life. I don't care, judge me, whatever. Because I have clothes everywhere and then like trash, whatever, I don't care. Anyways, whoop. And then I can actually film my video and see what I got in this Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. Both of them. Oh, I didn't clean up last night's dishes either because I'm a piece of poop. Do I care again? No. Also, this blanket, because the sun this time of year comes in really terribly and I don't like it, so I put the blanket there, especially because you can't see TV. Oh my god, my Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes are here. I cannot wait. Oh. And I have to leave soon, so I'm really excited. I'm going to open this up and get them out so I can go film. My battery's been charging all morning. So freaking excited. You can't see me because that's the thing. I feel like my hair's coming out. I don't know. Let me get a knife. Let me pop this baby open. Also, my Ipsy still isn't here. I watched the mailman today. I watched him drop off mail. That's it. No package. Still says it was delivered. Don't know where it's at. But it was like delivered back to the post office yesterday. Makes 0 sense. I don't know. Screw me, right? Anyways. Okay, I'm opening it from like upside down. Like up, you know? Okay. Oh, these are like nice boxes. Okay. Okay. I'm excited. And then we have some free samples here. Love that. My information. What is this? Oh, information. And like Black Friday sale. Okay. I'm gonna go film because I want to see what's in these mystery boxes. So I'll see you later. Peace. Okay, so fingers crossed for me because my car has been acting up. Let's freaking hope that it starts. Thank God. Okay, I have to go get gas and pick up my child. I took my lashes off because one was falling off. But, ooh, copyright. Okay, well, goodbye. Okay, so I'm a little bit in a mood right now just because of like collectively like a lot of things. So number one, I picked up my child, got Dunkin' Donuts, my car was fine, thank gosh. And then I called the post office wondering where my package was and all that stuff. And then they said, blah, 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 somebody else was like out delivering it. That's the only way they can do it is if they scan it like that, and that it should be delivered to my house right now. I asked if I was home. I was like, no. She's like, okay, well, when you get home, there should be a package on your door or on your front porch. I got home, there ain't nothing here. So I'll call back tomorrow if nothing shows up. But there's that. And then a freaking MLM Herbalife nutrition shop is opening up in my town. There is 2 that opened up in the next town over, which is like a 15-minute drive. They both didn't know about each other, completely different businesses, same thing. And I'm just like, why are people so stupid and like support these like MLM businesses? Like they're predatory and disgusting. And it's crazy how Herbalife gets away with selling their nutritional shakes and teas and crap like that and not disclosing the fact that they're Herbalife and all that stuff. Plus, if you have health issues, it can totally mess you up. Like, you have to do your research, you guys. Like, don't be stupid. MLMs are so bad. Anyway, so I'm a little heated about that. And then something else, but I'm not going to talk about it. But I'm actually saving my 2 mystery boxes right now so I can start editing them and have them uploaded today. And then I'll start working on the vlog or maybe film spoilers. I took my lashes off because one was falling off. But I got this little selfie ring light so I can have better lighting on my phone. But anyways, I have like spoiler videos to do, another Ipsy video to do, and I'm just like, I'm a little like bummed. I'm like not in the mood right now. So I just want to get these Charlotte Tilbury ones up and hopefully my thing comes. I don't know, but yeah. And if you're wondering, I got a medium caramel iced coffee with cream and sugar. That's what I got. It's just not in here. I left it on the kitchen table, but yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say. It's the update. Happy Vlogmas. I'm in a terrible mood. God.